So now I'm going to show you the modification to the camera processing board. So before we start, we've also supplied you with an anti-static wrist strap, so please wear this and plug this into a grounding earth point. With that grounded and the static reduced, take your Allen key and we're going to open the camera processing board. 1, 2, 3 screws. And remove the cover. So now, first things first, we unplug the camera. We just put that to the side. Now we're going to take our socket driver and we need to remove the 4 nuts. This has been reduced so that it just fits in beside the daughter board. And there's some plastic washers you'll see underneath these nuts. And we're going to lift the board out of the enclosure and place to the side. Now we need to remove the plastic washers, and these spacers need to come out. Now having removed those, now take the 4 2mm spacers we have provided and just drop them on. They're not threaded, they just drop straight on to the studs. And then put back on the plastic washers. We've given you a couple of spare washers in case you lose them. So we've got a plastic washer on all of those. So now we're going to take the processing board and we're going to drop in the near 2 points first. So it's a little tricky, but you drop those 2 points in first and then drop that on there. Again, plastic washers on top of the PCB. 1, 2, 3. There's a 4th one here. This just lowers the printed circuit board and gives a little bit more space for the cables, which improves the stability of the connection for the USB 3. So now put the nut locks back on. Just finger tight to start. Take our socket driver. If your daughter board is not screwed here, not fixed here, then you can just lift that off. Some more recent ones are actually screwed on. So you just tighten up the nut locks. So the board is sitting nice and snug on the enclosure. We fit the daughter board back on. It's just a push fit fitting. We take the camera cable and we take it round the power supply cable, and the smooth surface on the top, so not the connector side but the smooth flat surface on top, just align it correctly and just snap it tight so that is nicely aligned there. Make sure that's seated on firmly. Now we take the strip of rubber, and the strip of rubber is to just make sure that the encoder is nicely placed, and we're going to align this strip of rubber with the encoder connection here. Try and make it square and in the middle of the connector, and we're just going to push that down and seat it and stick it onto the bottom of the enclosure. Okay. We have supplied a